For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
In a new update to the continuing Indo-China border dispute talks, Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar has said that he wouldn't wish to predict the outcome of the talks. The Foreign Minister further added that the discussions are a work in progress.
The discussions are going on. It is a work in progress, and the first rule of my business is don't predict what is still going on. Hence, I would not wish to predict the outcome of the ongoing discussions between India and China regarding the border dispute at Ladakh.
When pressed further, the Foreign Minister said that the discussions are confidential.
What is going on is something confidential between us and China, and we will see how it plays out.
A resolution regarding the border dispute and a push for total disengagement has so far proved to be elusive. China not only left the disengagement process halfway but also undertook provocative actions to change the status quo on the ground through fresh transgressions. The Chinese government has also raised an objection to the inauguration of a series of bridges in Ladakh. The Indian government issued a stern warning to Beijing for its repeated complaints on the infrastructure projects on the Indian side of the border. The government also said that China should refrain from commenting on India's internal matters.
The Union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh have been, are, and would remain an integral part of India. China should refrain from commenting on India's internal matters. We hope that countries will not comment on India's internal matters as much as they expect the same of others.
The spokesperson for the External Affairs Ministry further said that India's position on Arunachal Pradesh is also clear.
Our position on Arunachal Pradesh has also been made clear several times. Arunachal Pradesh is an integral and inalienable part of India. This fact has also been clearly conveyed to the Chinese side on several occasions, including at the highest level.
India's rather harsh message came days after the Chinese Foreign Ministry linked infrastructure development on the Indian side to the 5-month-long standoff in East Ladakh. Amid the ongoing standoff between India and China, India has handed over one of its diesel-electric submarines to Myanmar to counter China's strategic inroads in the region. Myanmar has commissioned a 3,000-ton submarine, INS Induvir, rechristening it UMS Minye Thein Kha Thu. The submarine was deployed during the country's Bandula Fleet exercise.